Happy birthday, Kim. Congratulations to Kim. This is a collaboration for Kim's Art Alchemy, and I'm going to be doing some beautiful daisies for her with coloured pens. I really hope you like it. So Ayushu's Crafty Kids Club invited me along to celebrate Kim's birthday alongside a number of other great artists, and you'll find the link for the playlist down in my description box below, so do please check them all out. They were up before me. Big shout out to all my Patreon and YouTube channel members. So friends, welcome to Taslima Maya Art. This is Taz, and I'm super excited to be celebrating with everyone. Wishing you a birthday filled with love and laughter, and may this next trip around the sun be your best one yet, Kim. I will be creating a bouquet of yellow daisies for you. I really do hope you like them. Up before me was Resin Creations by Alison, and up after me will be June's House of Crafts, so do go check out the artwork that they create for Kim. A big thank you goes out to the wonderful Laurie Shaw, as she's just joined my Patreon. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to start sharing some content with you that has been uploaded as behind the scenes footage of things that nobody's ever seen from my art studio. Also, most of you in the community will have heard the buzz and excitement around a collab I announced 3 weeks ago that I'm hosting in April to celebrate Byron and a few fellow artists' birthdays. Many of you who were on my live chats and premieres will know that I announced I will be hosting an Alice in Wonderland themed collab, much to Byron's excitement and pleasure at the time. I'm pleased to say the date is set as Wednesday the 16th of April, so do mark your calendars, my friends, as it's going to be epic. Due to the limited seats, I've had to accept collaborators on a first come first served basis, I'm afraid, and this will be a much requested part 2 to my Disney collab a few weeks ago that was so well received. So lots to look forward to. Now I will leave you with some relaxing music to see this birthday bouquet unfold. See you at the end.
I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm waking up early again, sitting alone and listening, and there is no separation from you in the end. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking about you more than ever. I guess I'm lonely, I'm starting to grow old, and I thought my youth would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. Just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can